Welcome to my March budget with me. If you're new here, my name is Kim and my channel talks about money, tech, and real estate. This month is especially exciting because guess what? Ya girl got promoted, which means more money.
More shopping, yay me!
I've been at my company for 2.5 years, and even though I've been getting consistent pay raises, this is my first promotion. Before we begin, let me set some context for the rest of this video. I'm a software engineer and my partner is a civil engineer, and together we have one parent. We live in a high cost of living area and we own our home. We also have one rental property that is out of state. We wouldn't call ourselves particularly frugal or lavish. We cut out things that are not important to us and spend happily on things that are, like experiences, health, education, and giving. So hopefully that gives you a little bit more context about our lifestyle, and let's get on with the budgeting. So let's start off with the income portion. My new paycheck is, drum roll please, $146,790. I get paid semi-monthly, so that means I am getting 24 paychecks in a year times 2 to get my monthly gross. That's $12,232.50. Let's add in my husband's gross income, and we have $19,908 to play around with this month. I usually don't fill out these sections because it's variable and it fluctuates. Let's skip down to rental income. So if you've watched my previous videos, you know that our rental property hasn't been doing so hot. We've been making negative money. But this month we're making $823.40. This is already subtracting property management costs, and we don't have a mortgage on it, so this is pure cash flow. But most likely we will be saving 100% of it to reinvest into the property. And YouTube income is currently at $0. But you know what? You can help me make it not $0 by liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing with a friend. So this section is talking about what comes out of our sinking fund. And currently we are going to have to pay for property taxes. So let's take out $2,400 from our house sinking fund. And here we have our mortgage at $1,473.80. This is just principal and interest, so it does not include the taxes and insurance. So that's why we had to pull from our sinking fund to pay for our taxes this month. Transportation is at $150. Utility has been slightly higher at $250. Internet, $60. Groceries, we usually do really well, and this is a comfortable price point for us. And for our family, we like to pay their bills, so that's $270. Health, none anticipated. Car maintenance, $100 as buffer. No education, $100 for our pet buffer, and this is constant month to month. So extra taxes. We are going to be owing money in April, so we do need to save up for this. Now onto our savings category. Next property, I think we are pretty funded. Emergency fund is funded. Taxes, sinking fund, let's put in $5,000 this month and $5,000 next month. We'll see if that's enough. And for my 401k, I contribute 17% of my paycheck. So let's see what that new value is. So take my income, my gross income, put it in here, times 17. And that's $2,079. For my husband, his contributions will stay the same. Roth IRA, let's give it to him this month. We'll see if this is too much. For my after-tax 401k, I contribute 5%. So same formula here, except 5%. And ESPP, I am contributing the max at 15%. HSA is a constant, and brokerage, not sure if we have enough. Yeah, we definitely don't have enough right now. Entertainment, We have added a new Crunchyroll membership. The gym is usually at $79.20. This is the climbing gym. And this month we are planning to go skiing and take ski lessons. So let's add in $400 for the both of us. Miscellaneous, lower it to $100. Charity, $12.50. Our goal for this year is $15,000, and this is just evenly dividing it between 12 months. Travel, 0. Eating out, $250. Gifts, 0. And maybe $100 into the business. I'm not sure which expenses yet, but this is a good buffer. So as you can see, we have negative monies. Let's see where we can cut out. Taxes sinking fund or Roth IRA. I think we should cut back on the taxes. Ooh, that's quite a lot. Or we can cut back on the Roth IRA. Let's see what happens here. Put $3,000 here and $1,950, $310 here. Yeah, I think I'm more comfortable with this because this is coming up soon and I want to make sure we're able to pay our taxes. So not bad. This is a rounding error, and I think it's from when I did like times 17% times 15%. So I'll see what is deducted from my paycheck next month and adjust this accordingly. But for now, this looks good. Let's review this one more time. So total income at $20,731, taking $2,400 out of our sinking fund, paying $4,100 in taxes, spending $5,365 in necessary expenses, a lot of that being the property taxes. Total savings at $3,000 for taxes next year, or next month, sorry. Investing $8,452 and spending $2,213 on discretionary expenses. So usually we don't really hit this number. Let's compare that. Yeah. So I think this is a pretty balanced budget. So there you go, we're done budgeting for the month of March. As you can see, it's really not that complicated. I'm just putting in numbers, subtracting, adding, depending on the situation, and it's not really an exact science. Let me know in the comments down below how you're budgeting this month and tell me your favorite budgeting method. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all next week. Bye.